Good morning. Here we are at your house. Gonna do a little video for you so you can see how everything kind of came out. So here's the entryway. There's still a little gray on that molding up there. I did get them to paint the ceiling. They were gracious enough to do that, but there's still some gray on the molding. But here's the living room. Doesn't it look good? These floors look amazing. The light walls. And there's the kitchen. And there's the glass that Amy cleaned. She cleaned the inside of the oven, so it looks really good. She did a great job there. Cleaned the microwave. I had her even do the refrigerator and all that. So the kitchen, this is just beautiful. Show you the refrigerator. Wow, super clean. Smells good. And then here's your little, I call it mud room. And laundry room. It's all been painted the same as the other rooms. So here's the master bedroom. And the bathroom. That cabinet color just really blends with this tile really, really well. And then we got the same countertops in here as we have in the kitchen. Your private potty area. Okay, so the back of the toilet is missing. Have to find that. So here's the hall bath. Turn on the light. That looks really good. This looks really good. Very nice. I love those countertops. I want this countertop so bad. And then we'll go check out this other bedroom up here. Looks good.